Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, PDAC 2017 in Toronto, and it's our first day, Sunday here. And my first guest is Bradford Cooke, the CEO of Endeavour Silver. And of course, we want to talk about that sharp drop in the share price this week on Thursday when they presented their Q4 numbers. And I'm pretty sure Brad has a nice explanation for us here. Bradford, thank you very much for taking the time. The Thursday, was really bad from the share price. I think the numbers were not that bad because, to me, you invested in the future of the company, haven't you?
Well, of course, and we can't explain such a sharp drop in the stock. I know it was a tough day for the precious metals, and we announced our year-end earnings, which were good for the year.
Exactly.
Fourth quarter, we spent more money, so we took a small loss, but not to justify that kind of a sell-off. So I think it was a perfect opportunity for certain people to take strategic positions in the stock.
Yeah.
I can't explain why it's sold off, and the only way I know how to rebuild confidence in the market is to do a good job.
Well, as you have done in the past, the last 13 years, I would say. Maybe can you give us a bit of an explanation what you have done in the quarter? Because I think this is significant, because all the costs you have are occurred in the same quarter, right, in the balance sheet. So that's why you had high costs.
Well, last year was very much a transition from bear market to bull market, and once the metal prices were rising and our cash flow was rising, we made the decision in July last year to start investing for the future. So in the fourth quarter in particular, we had a very high exploration expense and capital development expense. Mm-hmm. Why? Because we want to invest to extend the mine lives, to make new discoveries, mm-hmm. to advance the reserves. And so that's why we took a small loss in the fourth quarter, but not enough to justify that kind of a sell-off.
Absolutely. And how was the production?
Production
it was a little
good.
bit lower, but it was still totally in the guidance, right?
Year on year, it was almost flat, and it was well ahead of our guidance. We beat our guidance last year on both the production and the costs. We were less than $12 all in, $12.50 all in. Mm-hmm. So we felt it was a very good year for the company, and we think this is an even better year. This is a year of transition now from old mines to new mines. We're proposing to start building 3 mines.
Mm-hmm. So probably there was the last quarter with that high AISC. I think it was $20.40 or something. But I think that, it was really a significant investment for the future. And I mean, now the drills are turning again. Maybe let's talk a little bit about more what's coming up. I mean, you're building 3 mines, right?
In the next 3 years, we want to build 3 new mines to completely remake the company from a 3-mine company to a 6-mine company, and to expand the production. It's a little bit premature for us to say how much, but with 2 economic studies coming this month on our El Campos mine and the Terronera mine, after that we can talk about 3- and 5-year plans with a significant increase in production and reduction in all-in sustaining costs.
Great, fantastic. And also drill results will come, is that correct? Because the drills are turning?
Very exciting results, obviously, working very hard on all projects. 10 drills working at this time in Mexico.
Wow, that's a lot.
So I think this month we'll see at least 1 batch of drill results. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you comment already a bit? Or let's say your smile
just
looks positive.
Just with a smile.
Great, fantastic. So if we summarize that, we can say the trading was not explainable on last Thursday. It makes no sense. The company has not changed. You are full on track.
We are still a going concern. Our objective every year is to make money and grow and become bigger and better. This year is no different. This year might even be special for that.
Super, perfect. Then Bradford, thank you very much for that statement. Always happy, because it's important to explain our viewers what happened so that they understand. And we look forward to the next weeks and months for some good news.
Great, thanks, Jochen.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, there was Bradford Cooke, the CEO of Endeavour Silver. And you heard it, the statement is quite clear. Nobody understands why the trading was that crazy on Thursday. Maybe also some selling programs in the market, as it looked to me, honestly, when I watched it. And probably great buying opportunity. We don't know. You always know afterwards. But anyway, I would say the company is full on track, and we are very positive still on it, and we keep you posted. Thank you very much, and bye-bye from Toronto.